And not only that, it actually dipped somewhat slowly. In fact, it took about 12 to 14 hours from when it started to decline until it actually bottomed, at least the bottom so far.
We respected the 50 zone. The 50 zone. You see that? I said to people that it's gonna fall from that point. You can see my previous video about XRP and I talked about that as well.
Because back in 2017, there was a lot of major insight coming around for XRP, which allowed its price to actually shoot up all the way to levels as high as $3 because of the news and the media talking about SEC or talking about XRP.
XRP had a major value drop in the past couple of days. This, coupled with the stability of its most recent rival, Cardano ADA, might leave a permanent mark on XRP stability and image. Plus, by the looks of it, the old prognosis that XRP could catch up to the two giants, Ethereum and Bitcoin, seem unlikely these days. Stay with us as we discuss the news that concern XRP and why they're not good for Ripple. What is XRP? XRP is a cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs. Ripple Labs offers services related to payment settlement, asset exchange, and remittance systems. It was essentially designed to be a replacement for SWIFT, a leading money transfer network. In 2012, after Ripple became an open coin, it launched its cryptocurrency, XRP. The purpose of XRP was to serve as an intermediate mechanism of exchange between two currencies or networks. XRP crashes below $1. XRP had a relatively stable value that levitated above $1 for the past few months. However, in the last week, the price went from $1.01 rapidly to 901 cents. And while it has risen back to 95 cents, the decline has been present ever since. This is by no means good news, as XRP can, especially if you take into consideration the rise of ADA, silently continue to lose its value and die off. Mind you, XRP isn't the only crypto that's losing its value. Far from it. There's been a major market dip, with all of the major cryptos dropping their values. However, XRP is the one that is least likely to return its value.
Well, it looks like the crypto crash is in full swing. Or is it even really a crash for crypto? Currently, Bitcoin and the rest of the market is down about 8%. So the first thing earlier this morning when I saw the crypto dip was I went onto my YouTube channel and I posted a poll. And on that poll was, what are you doing during this dip? 43% say they are buying the dip. Only about 4% are selling, 53% are holding, which is exactly what I am doing. With Bitcoin being down only about 8 to 9%, that's not really a crash in the crypto space. In the crypto market, even though it's down 8 to 9%, in some cases like XRP up to 13%, it seems to be weathering the storm a little bit more than the regular financial market. There's actually two causes. One is what all the news is talking about now, which is the Evergrande real estate company over in China, which is the largest real estate company in China. They have over $300 billion worth of debt. And even this is not catastrophic. But what is happening in China could spark a global fear of continuing credit crisis.
The SEC lawsuit. The XRP crash was unavoidable after SEC refused to give documents requested by Ripple. Recently, Ripple's legal team reportedly said that they have no plans to settle with the securities watchdog. However, it believes that SEC may drop the lawsuit. If Ripple fails to get any positive news from SEC, XRP may crash further. Currently, XRP support is just around 90 cents. XRP, which is trading below $1, may go below that if SEC does not drop the lawsuit. Investors are showing the least interest in XRP following the lawsuit. Many people, though, believe that XRP will win this lawsuit.
Going to be talking about a few different articles about XRP and the SEC. We have one article talking about how still young crypto industry could grow stronger if the SEC allows it to thrive, as I find this very interesting. So it talks about how still young crypto industry could grow stronger if SEC allows it to thrive. And I find this interesting as, we made a video yesterday which did really well talking about how XRP could be moving to upwards of, about $14.50, even $15, about a 1,300% rise in the next couple of months. If the SEC loses the case or settles outside of court, it would actually allow volume to take over XRP XRP once again and allow this company to start thriving and moving up even higher. Basically saying that XRP is not a security would allow so much volume to come into the market, and so many people would start trading XRP now. I think it would have a major influence on the price. As we know, pretty much XRP has came to a halt.
Is Coinbase relisting XRP? On the 9th of September, Coinbase Pro Exchange started showing XRP trading pairs: XRP BTC, XRP USD, XRP GBP, and XRP EUR. Coinbase had previously removed XRP for trading on its platform due to the ongoing legal battle between XRP and Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Due to this, the price of XRP rose almost 13%, but Coinbase denied the relisting rumors. After the clarification, the price of XRP again fell by 10%. Coinbase, through its Twitter handle, wrote, "As previously announced, Coinbase has suspended trading in XRP. Due to a technical issue, XRP was temporarily viewable on the Coinbase Pro mobile app for some customers, but was not tradable." What is going to happen to XRP? What is going to happen to XRP is uncertain. The future had been destabilized by the SEC problem, but also the fact that the whole crypto world is experiencing a dip. XRP is really in a tight spot, and it needs something big to get out of the problem that it got caught into. Of course, this doesn't mean that XRP will surely fail, but its future is surely much less optimistic than it was a couple of months ago. There are still loads of reasons to invest in XRP. However, there are also a myriad of reasons why you shouldn't.
We respected the 50 zone. The 50 zone. You see that? I said to people that it's gonna fall from that point. Do not rush. Do not rush, guys. Either it go up to where I show in the picture and we buy, safe to hold, or wait for the breakdown. I am still positive about 80 cents. So I typed that it's still going to go to 80 cents. So right here, I'm showing you what I know and the knowledge that I got. It's very simple once you know how the market is moving, if you know how the waves of market is moving, and you know price action and little tools such indicators.
So what will happen to XRP? Will it drop and disappear, or is this just a minor and temporary setback? Is its future a successful one, or will its promising lifespan be cut short? I'm not sure what to make out of this situation. However, I do believe that XRP will manage to pull out of this mess and get itself together, even though that might be a bit too optimistic if we take into consideration the current situation. Anyway, tell us your opinions in the comment section down below. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell for further updates. Until next time.